The agricultural fresh produce market has remained largely above water in the face of the pandemic. The sector continues to walk a tightrope by constantly balancing the higher input costs and the tough economic environment facing many consumers. ZZ2, the country's largest tomato producer, says there has been a seesaw trend in pricing of tomatoes. When supply drops and demand stabilizes, the prices tend to go up eventually.
If one looks at the beginning of November, we were looking at about R6.58 per kilogram. It did go up in November to about R9.30. It also dropped when the production was at its peak to around R4.38 per kilo. And it's now sort of stabilized at about the R7 mark. But we're expecting prices to go up because production has come off slightly.
Agri-SA says it's now seen a resumption in the demand in onions and potatoes. It also noted a marginal upward price adjustments in some fresh produce products due to petrol price hikes.
There's a clear trend, upward trend, especially in terms of products such as potatoes, onions, and so forth. Basically, it boils down to supply and demand. And we also know that the increase in the diesel and petrol price will have an impact on prices going forward.
The industry says although it's positive about the upcoming year, it fears that the multiple economical challenges could hamper its production. Nothando Makutulela, SABC News, Johannesburg.